As described earlier, in spring, the weather is warming up. Everything starts growing. And in this season, we need our liver and gallbladder to generate lots of energy to support our body to grow as well. In spring, we need the water element teas to support our wood element organs. And we also need metal element herbs like wild Schizandra to control our wood element organs so they will work smoothly. Wild Schizandra is called 五味子 in Chinese, meaning the five-flavor berry. It gets its name due to the fact that it contains all 5 flavors of Chinese medicine, which are sour, sweet, salty, bitter, and pungent. And because of this special characteristic, it can be used for the organs of any of the 5 elements to keep our body in healthy balance. So, different water pouring methods used to brew wild Schizandra in different seasons will give different results for healing each organ. Now, we are going to brew this herb using the long flowing water method to keep our liver and gallbladder in healthy balance. First, let's wash and warm up the teaware. We have described a few times now how to pour water using the long flowing water method, so I will talk about it less this time around and let you to focus on watching now I do it. A high-quality Schizandra berry should look very juicy with fresh red color. Some Schizandra berries on the market might look very dry with a gray color, which could mean it isn't fresh or has been stored under poor conditions. Now let's wash it real quick. The same as with certain teas, wild Schizandra berry needs a high water temperature to brew the nutrients, aroma, and taste from it. So for the first brew, we use boiled water to give it a quick wash. Then when we do the second brew for drinking, we can start to get a good taste from it. The color of wild Schizandra's liquid is very light red. Usually, while you are waiting for it to steep, you can see a very light pink color, indicating it's ready to be poured. It's a very powerful herb that has a very strong flavor in contrast to the lighter color, which can be surprising. Finally, slow pour the liquids into the teacup and enjoy.